In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join and explore the Canva community. To get started, open Canva and sign into your account. If you're already logged in, that's perfect. If not, take a moment to enter your account details and make sure you're on the main Canva dashboard before moving on. Starting from your account helps everything load properly and gives you full access to any community features that may be available to members. Once you're inside Canva, go to Canva's community section. You can usually find this within the platform, or you can go directly to the Canva community page in your browser. Either option works, so choose whichever feels easier for you. If you're using the direct page, just wait for it to load fully so you can see all the available community options clearly. When you arrive, look for a button that says Join the Community or simply Join. If that prompt appears, click it to continue. This is the step that officially begins the process of becoming part of the community space, where Canva users gather to share ideas, discover new resources, and interact with other creators. Depending on your screen or device, the button may appear in a slightly different place, so just scan the page carefully if you don't notice it right away. After that, you may be asked to sign in again with your Canva account. If that happens, go ahead and complete the sign-in process. This extra sign-in step is normal and is sometimes required to confirm your access. Just follow the on-screen prompts until you're fully inside the community area. Once you're in, take some time to browse what's available. You can explore discussions, tutorials, events and posts from other Canva creators. This is a great place to learn new techniques, stay updated on creative trends, and see how other people are using Canva in real projects. Moving through each section slowly can help you understand what the community offers and where you might want to participate first. Finally, start connecting, sharing ideas, and learning from the community. You can read conversations, explore helpful content, and get inspired by what others are creating. The more time you spend looking around, the easier it becomes to find useful information and creators with similar interests. That's it. You've successfully joined the Canva community and now know how to start exploring everything it has to offer.